What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to share with you guys everything you need to know about the always on display on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So in this video I will just be highlighting all the features which are present in S9 Plus always on display. Actually I have made a detailed video on the tips and tricks of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. You can check those videos on my channel. Right now I am just focusing on the always on display which is present in Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So without any further ado, let's get started and find out every single detail which the always on display on this device can offer us. For always on display, you have to go into the settings, and when you are into the settings, you actually have to go into the lock screen and security. When you are into the lock screen and security, scroll down and there you will find this feature always on display. For example, I go into this, you can see I can just turn this feature on and off. If this feature is turned on, and next up we have three different options available here. First, I can set up the home button and the clock. The home button shows up here and the clock here, and I can show the clock with information, and I can either choose only the home button to be here. So we have three different options. For now we just select this option. Next up we have two other things, which is show always. When you do enable this show always, it means that the always on display will always show when the screen is locked. Otherwise you will have this option to set a schedule, where you can set a schedule that where you will start the time and where you will end the time for the always on display to be set on. So this is just all the information you need to know about the always on display. So if I just turn the device off, always on display will just appear here. So if I again go into the settings and into the lock screen and security and scroll down, and now how to customize the always on display. For this you have to go into the clock and face widgets, which is just available right below the always on display feature, and click tap on it and go into the clock styles. When you are into the clock styles, we have two different options, the always on display and the lock screen. I just want to talk about right now about the always on display, and for the lock screen I will be just talking in a moment. So you can see we have different types of clocks for the always on display. You can see I can choose between these different clocks. We have now many styles available which we can choose. For example, I just choose this one. When you have chosen the clock which you want to be on the always on display, you can just now change the colors for this. You have to tap this and you can just simply change the color. See how beautiful it looks. So we have different options available which we can use. So just apply it, and when you go back and just turn off the screen, and you will see now it appears on the screen which I have chosen for the device right now. See how beautiful it looks. So that's all about always on display feature. Next up, related to the always on display, is the face widgets. So what these face widgets do, so let's go into these face widgets. For this you have to go into the settings, lock screen, and just scroll down to the clock and face widgets and go into the face widgets. And when you are into the face widgets, you can actually control these different three things which are available: next alarm, music controller, and today's schedule. All these things will just show up on the always on display if you have enabled this all these three things. And you can also reorder them by just tapping this, that which one should be your priority. So you can also adjust them according to your need. So where to show, you can show it either on the lock screen and the always on display. Right now we are talking for the always on display. Let's put it for the always on display, and it will be available on the always on display. And next up is about the always on display, and that is the contact information. So I just want to put the contact information. For example, I just write my name here, so the name is written here. I just want to choose this for always on display. Just select it and we are good to go. Let's just unlock the phone, and you can see my name is just written right below where I just wanted to put my contact information. So that's it guys, this was everything about the always on display on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and I hope you highly enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.